today we'll talk about how can you find your top score on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on more down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on top score here. So then here you will find our top score here. You have top score here. You have five goals here. So then here Harry Kane and Lewandowski, then Rafinha. So here you will find all scores here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for watching.